Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change the mouse cursor in Windows 10 settings. For this, first click on this one Start button, then click Settings. Under Windows 10 settings, click on Ease of Access. In the left sidebar, click on Mouse Pointer. On the right, you will find this one option, change pointer color. You can select white pointer, black, inverted, or you can also select a custom cursor of your choice. For this, click on this one custom option. After that, you can select any color that Windows 11, Windows 10 suggests you. Just select a color of your choice. In case you don't love this one colors, you can click on this one option, pick a custom pointer color. After that, move your mouse over the color palette, and once you find the desired color, click on this one done button. Now a custom color of your choice for your pointer will be applied by Windows 10.